Hello everyone. Very welcome you all in another video. As you know, we have started a blogger series. This is our second video of the series. In previous video we have set up our Blogger affiliate blog. Now in this video, we will show you how you can install a custom premium theme in order to give your blog a unique and professional look. So let's begin. First of all, open your web browser and type Blogger. Click on blogger.com. This is our admin panel of our blog. You can view your blog by clicking View Blog. This is our blog MJ Mart. It's not customized yet. We will customize it later in videos. In this video we will add a custom theme to give it a professional look. You can download this premium template for free from the link given in the description of this video. Now go to folder where you have downloaded the theme. In my case it is in download folder. I will open it. This is News Plus Premium Template. Later in this video I will show you step by step how you can download more premium templates for free. It is in compressed zip file. Extract the files from the zip file. Now open this XML file in Notepad. You can check it. It's News Plus template. With its premium version. Means you can avail more customization options and can get AdSense approval fast. Select all the content of this XML file and copy it. Again, go to your Blogger admin panel and navigate to Theme section. Here are some of the templates provided by Blogger. You can also use them, but they are not premium and are with limited customization options. Click on drop-down arrow next to Customize. Then click on Edit HTML. This is HTML code of your current theme. Select it all and delete it. Now paste the code you copied from XML file and click on Save. To view your blog, refresh it in order to see your theme is installed or not. This is the News Plus template. That's how our blog will look like. We will customize it in our later videos to give it more professional look. After customization it will look like this blog, MJ Academic. Your logo and banner ad will be shown in this section. At the top, essential pages will be shown. In this section your labels and categories will be shown. That's how it will look overall after customization. Now we will change this logo and replace it with our logo. Again, go to Admin Panel and navigate to Layout section. Click on the pencil icon of this header logo to edit it. You can replace it by providing the image URL or uploading an image from computer. Before uploading, save this original logo to check its dimension. So we can also modify our logo according to required dimensions. Go to Website Image Dimension Checker. Open First Site. Now click on Choose File to upload image to check its dimensions. So here we go. This image is of 60 into 183 pixels. Means height of our logo should be 60 pixel and width 183 pixels. Now go to canva.com. It is a free graphic design tool. You can edit any template and use it for free. Once you are on Canva, click on Create a Design. And then Custom Size. Add required dimensions. And press Create a New Design. A new window will pop up here. You can design your logo. As I already have logo, I will simply upload it and modify it to required dimensions. Once you uploaded it, just drag and adjust it according to canvas. Do consider these guides and align it in a center. Once you are done, click on Share. Default settings, again press Download. Once it's downloaded, again go to your Blogger dashboard. Navigate to Layout. And then press on the pencil icon to upload your logo. First of all, give a short description of your blog. As it's my affiliate blog, so I will paste my description. You can add your own. This is the description of my blog. Make sure you have placed the image instead of title and description. Now click on Upload Image from Computer. Click on Choose File. Select the image. Once it's uploaded, then press Save. Open Mobile Logo Settings. You have to repeat the same process in order to make your blog mobile friendly. Now again go to your blog to refresh it to ensure that all the changes are saved. That's it. That's how our logo will appear. As our blog is not monetized yet, so we will remove this header tag. Again, go to the Blogger dashboard. Click on the pencil icon of header tag. Press this icon to hide this widget. Click Save to save changes. Now again refresh it. Boom, our header ad is gone. We will customize this blog in later videos. Now in the final part of our video, I will show you how you can download more free templates according to your taste for free. So open a new tab and write goyabytemplates.com. You can also find its link in the description. Open First Site Blogger Templates 2023. Here you can find premium paid templates and free templates. Click on Free Blogger Templates. These all are free templates. You can download them. For example, if you want to download Sora Home template, click on it. Scroll down. Multiple options are there. You can check its live preview. Buy its premium version with more customization options. And you can also download it. That's how it will look like if you will install this template. Now again go to Template and click on Download button to download it. It will be saved in your download folder. It is in compressed file. You can extract it and install it by following same steps as we installed News Plus theme. Hope so you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel so that you can follow our blogger series. We'll see you in next video. Take care. Bye bye.